Hello guys, welcome back to Paramedical Care Academy. Today we are going to discuss sanitary inspector question paper. In this question paper, first question is the hazard from infectious shaft waste is answer is HIV infection. Second question, the face needs special attention because it has answer is thinner skin. Third question, the unpleasant body odor can arise from all the following except answer is whitish skin. Fourth question, the disease caused by dog bite is answer is rabies. Fifth question, an example of polysaccharides is answer is cellulose. Sixth question, the one of the functions of fat is transport and storage of answer is vitamin A. Seventh question, vitamin C is also known as answer is ascorbic acid. Eighth question, the graphical representation of variation in the manifestation of disease is called as answer is spectrum of disease. Ninth question, the socio-cultural risk group for any disease is answer is behavior of smoking. 10th question, the action taken prior to the onset of disease is called as answer is primary prevention. 11th question, the demolition products such as bricks, masonry can be called as answer is solid waste. 12th question, the best method for collection of refuse is answer is house to house collection. 13th question, refuse that is collected from animal droppings and left over animal feeds are called as answer is stable litter refuse. 14th question, perchlorone is called also known as answer is high test hypochlorite. 15th question, the equipment required to administer the chlorine gas to water supplies is answer is Patterson's chlorome. 16th question, the psychomotor level of learning is answer is acquiring new skills. 17th question, the audience which has gathered together with motives of curiosity is called as answer is uncontrolled audience. 18th question, the abnormal growth of premature cells in body can be called as answer is cancer. 19th question, the primary prevention of lung cancer can include answer is control the smoking. 20th question, hyperglycemia can be defined as answer is increased level of sugar in blood. 21st question, the health education in school health can be on all the following except answer is handicap disease education. 22nd question, the family planning helps individual or our couple to attain following objective accepts? Answer is increase the number of children. 23rd question. A birth interval of 2 to 3 years considered desirable to reduce. Answer is child mortality. 24th question. Preventive method to help women avoid pregnancies are called as. Answer is contraceptive method. 25th question. If mother is not able to visit the antenatal clinic, then the visit covering the entire period of pregnancy should be minimum in number of 3. 26th question. During pregnancy, following drugs should be avoided by mother. Answer is corticosteroids. 27th question. In hilly travel and backward areas, the subcenter should be established as one of every population. Answer is 3000. 28th question. The essential healthcare can also be called as. Answer is primary healthcare. 29th question. The one health worker should be available for population of. Answer is 5000 in plain area. 30th question. On health assistants should supervise. Answer is 6 health workers. 31st question. The food-borne diseases that are caused by fungi toxins are all the following except. Answer is botulism. 32nd question. The World Diabetes Day is on. Answer is 14 November. 33rd question. The ancient culinary practice aimed at preserving food such as mango, lime, etc. for very long period known as. Answer is pickling. 34th question. The diethyltoluamide is an. Answer is insect repellent. 35th question. The incubation period of classical dengue fever is. Answer is 3 to 10 days. 36th question. Filarial infection in which the classical clinical manifestation are not present is called as. Answer is oculofilariasis. 37th question. According to PFA Act, the misbranded food means. Answer is limitation or the substitute resembling authentic food. 38th question. Under National AIDS Control Program, the case definition of AIDS for adults is positive test for HIV by 2 separate tests plus any one symptoms of following except. Answer is hypertension. 39th question. Under National Immunization Program, that vaccine prevented disease are all of the following except. Answer is dengue. 40th question. The Water Prevention or Control of Pollution Act 1974 extends to whole of India except answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 41st question, properly located, well constructed and protected against contamination with a view to yield a supply of safe water is called as answer sanitary well. 42nd question, agriculture water pollutants are caused by answer is human activities. 43rd question, the indicates of water pollution includes all of the following except answer is corrosion of pipes. 44th question, according to National Immunization Program, the child can be called as fully immunized who has following immunization before 1 year of age. Answer is 1 dose of BCG plus 3 doses of DPD and OPV plus 1 dose of measles. 45th question, the ICIDS stands for Integrated Child Development Service. 46th question, under the ESI Act for permanent disablement as a result of an employment injury, the benefit will be for the period of answer is whole life. 47th question, according to Consumer Protection Act, the right of consumer are all of the following except answer is to give name to products or goods. 48th question, the elephantiasis of leg is the clinical manifestation of answer is lymphatic filariasis. 49th question, the rabies is caused by answer is Listeria virus. 50th question, the chikungunya is transmitted by Aedes culex and Mansonia mosquitoes and caused by the answer is group A arbovirus. Thank you.